My baking career started back when I was in primary, but I never got the opportunity to do the classes. But I decided to do more of accounts. After clearing campus, that was in 2010, I couldn't be able to secure an employment based on the qualifications that I had. So I looked for employment. The few that I got, they were not so much well paying. And when family came in, I decided to quit the job and take care of the family. But I came to realize, since I was so passionate about baking, I decided to do some few courses that enabled me to get the basic ideas about baking. So I started baking in 2014, and I used to do it small for friends, and out of friends, they used to enjoy the cake. Then I get referrals from the people who have attended the function. So that is how I was able to grow, and this enabled me to move from the house and get a place, because it was not so comfortable for many of the clients to come and place their orders from the house. So I got a place. So you're greasing the tin as you prepare to put the vanilla cake on it. When the butter gets into the tin, and it will become more oily, so you dust it before placing the cake. Now the tin is ready, just put the butter inside. I didn't have capital at the start. I just used to get orders. The deposit that people pay me, that is what I used to go and buy the ingredients and buy the tools, so that I can be able to make the cake and deliver. In a good month, I make 80 pieces. It ranges from a minimum of 1,700 to a maximum of around 4,000. 5,000, at times 5,500 on a good month. Yeah. My future plans is to always give the best cakes that I've always given to my clients, and to be able one day to own a very big bakery and also a very big school, so that people may be able to learn what I've learned, but in an easier way. Because I learned through a hard way, because I had to go and do some research, do some work. So I've got the knowledge, so I would wish to pass it to the others. The name of my business is Jack's Yummiest Cakes. Jack's is a short form of Jackie. Yummiest is what I give you on the cakes. It's very yummy, and that is why I named it at Jack's Yummiest Cake.